Hey everyone, I'm Mia, and today I want to show you a way faster, way less painful method to turn your long videos into social-ready clips using Vizard. If you're like me and you hate spending hours scrubbing through footage, chopping tiny moments, and wrestling with exports, Vizard basically does the heavy lifting for you. Stick around and I'll walk you through the entire flow. From getting your long recording into Vizard, to letting the AI find the good bits, tweaking them quickly, and scheduling everything out so you don't have to think about it again. Let's dive in. So first things first, head over to vizard.ai and sign in. If you already have a folder of long-form content, whether it's a recorded Zoom call, a YouTube live stream, a podcast video, or a raw interview, just drag and drop the file into your Vizard workspace. You'll see it upload, and then the processing starts. This part is surprisingly fast. Vizard analyzes your video to find highlights, speaker changes, and key moments that tend to perform well as short clips. Once the processing finishes, you land in your Vizard library. Think of this like your clip collection. Every long video you upload will sit here, and Vizard will surface auto-generated clips it thinks are worth sharing. On the left side is your main navigation, projects, clips, calendar, and accounts, where you connect your socials. Click on the project you just uploaded and you'll immediately see a list of suggested clips down the right-hand column, usually ranked by what the AI thinks is most viral or attention-grabbing. Now, the magic part. Auto-editing. Vizard's auto-edit feature combs through the long video and picks out short segments with high engagement potential, like a strong punchline, a surprising stat, or a useful tip. Instead of you hunting for these moments manually, Vizard gives you a set of ready-made short videos. I usually preview the top 5 suggestions first. Most of the time it nails the beats. But when it doesn't, you've still saved half your time because you only need to tweak instead of start from scratch. Click any suggested clip to open the editor. The interface is super clean. On the left, you'll see the original timeline and the clip boundaries the AI chose. In the middle, you get a real-time preview. On the right, you have quick settings. Aspect ratio, 9:16 for TikTok Reels, 1:1 for Instagram, 16:9 for YouTube, auto captions, thumbnail, and simple trim handles. One thing I love is the one-click captions toggle. Vizard generates timed captions automatically, and they look good by default, so you can quickly switch captions on for silent viewing platforms without fuss. If you want to make small edits, you can drag the clip ends to extend or contract the snippet. Add a short intro-outro card, slap on a branded watermark, or pick from a few built-in color-graded templates. There's also a highlight boost tool that will slightly tighten up cuts and punch up the audio levels. Useful if your original recording has variable volume or long gaps. A lot of creators ask, what about those tools like Premiere Pro, Descript, or CapCut? Premiere is powerful, but slow. You need serious editing skills and time. Descript is great for transcript-based edits, but gets pricey and sometimes misses the visual emphasis. CapCut is cool for mobile edits, but lacks a centralized publishing workflow. Vizard sits in a sweet spot. It's faster than Premiere, more automated than Descript's manual approach, and has built-in publishing tools CapCut doesn't. Also, when you scale content, like repurposing a 1-hour webinar into 20 clips, Vizard's automation actually saves real money. Instead of hiring an editor for dozens of short clips, the AI does it for you. Back in the editor, once you're happy with a clip, you can export it directly or click Add to Queue. This is where Vizard's auto schedule and content calendar start to shine. If you choose auto schedule, you tell Vizard how often you want to post. Once a day, 3 times a week, whatever fits your rhythm. And it will automatically pick optimal times based on average engagement patterns. Set your posting frequency, select which social accounts are connected, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, etc., and Vizard will plan the posts for you. No more opening each platform, juggling uploads, and trying to remember what you posted where. The content calendar is my favorite feature for staying organized. Open the calendar tab and you'll see a weekly view of all scheduled clips, editable in place. Drag and drop a clip to move its publish date, open a post to swap thumbnails, change captions, or pick a different posting time. Everything is centralized. Captions, hashtags, thumbnails, and post copy live with each clip, so you don't have to cross-reference a spreadsheet. One practical tip, check the platform presets before scheduling. Short-form platforms prefer different clip lengths and thumbnail styles. For TikTok and Reels, aim for 15 to 45 seconds and choose a punchy first frame. For LinkedIn, maybe keep it slightly longer and more informational. Vizard helps by suggesting length edits and thumbnail frames optimized for each platform. Now, let's talk about collaboration and review. If you're working with a team or a client, you can share a private review link to a clip. They can leave timestamped comments right in the player, which makes revision cycles way faster. No more sending long emails like cut out the middle part at 4:12. Reviewers click the time and leave the feedback directly where it matters. Analytics are another area where Vizard beats the DIY route. After posting, Vizard collects view and engagement stats so you can see which clips are hitting and which aren't. It'll show completion rate, click-throughs if you add CTAs, and platform performance. If a clip is underperforming, Vizard often suggests a quick re-edit. Change the thumbnail, crop for a different aspect ratio, or shorten the intro to boost retention. If you have existing meeting recordings, Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams, Vizard can ingest these too. Upload your meeting file or connect your cloud storage where the recording lives, and the AI will parse speaker turns and key moments. That makes turning a 60-minute webinar into snackable content super straightforward. Compare this to other services. Some require manual chapter markers or have limited meeting integrations. Vizard's approach is pretty plug and play. One last thing about costs and trade-offs. Some creator tools charge per minute, or hide scheduling in a premium tier that's crazy expensive. Vizard's pricing model leans more towards scaling. You get real automation at a price point that's reasonable if you're committing to consistent content. If you're a hobbyist posting once a month, it might feel like overkill. If you want to grow a channel or repurpose evergreen long-form content regularly, Vizard often pays for itself in saved editing hours. All right, recap and quick walkthrough so you can try it yourself. 1. Upload your long video to Vizard, drag and drop or connect cloud storage. 2. Let the AI analyze and generate suggested clips. 3. Preview the top picks and open the editor for any small tweaks. Aspect ratio, captions, thumbnails, trims. 4. Add refined clips to the scheduling queue or export immediately. 5. Use auto-schedule to set posting frequency or drag items into the content calendar to plan manually. 6. Publish and monitor engagement with built-in analytics. Iterate using AI suggestions. And a few pro tips from someone who's been through the grind. Always enable captions. Most people watch without sound. Spend 10 seconds picking a thumbnail frame that has a face and readable text. If a clip is performing well on one platform, repurpose it for another with a slightly different edit or a new thumbnail rather than posting identical content everywhere. And use the review links for team feedback so you're not recreating the same revisions. So that's it. Vizard turns long recordings into ready-to-post short clips, handles scheduling, and keeps everything neat in a content calendar. It's not perfect, no AI is, but it shaves off the boring parts of repurposing content so you can focus on creating more long-form stuff and growing your audience. If you want to try it, sign up at vizard.ai, toss in one of your recent recordings, and see what clips the AI suggests. You'll probably be surprised how many gems are hiding in your hour-long videos. If you found this walkthrough useful, give it a like, subscribe for more content repurposing tips, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll test Vizard against a couple of other tools and dig into advanced scheduling hacks. Thanks for watching.